Hey, what is going on? This is Rob from Panther. Today I'm going to show you a really bizarre pattern trick in Illustrator. Alright, so first thing I'm going to go with stroke. Right now I'm on the fill. I'm going to swap this, and if you have anything on the fill, click on it, click on none, make sure that you have a color on the stroke. You can select whatever you want. And let's select the rectangle tool, which is here. Press and hold Shift plus Alt, scale it up. From here, let's go to the object, path, split into grid. And I'm gonna type in 10 by 10. So it's gonna be 10 row and 10 column. Click OK. From here, let's go to effects, distortion, transform, pop it and bloat. So check this out. It's gonna create a really interesting pattern right now. Kind of like this. I'm gonna click on it and I'm gonna create a new one also, so you can also see. And check this out, by the way, if you flip this, it's gonna go more interesting. So I'm gonna work with this. So I'm gonna go here to the appearance, and I'm gonna go back to pop it and bloat, and I'm gonna push it to the max. And now we're gonna find this more common sparkle pattern. Now I'm gonna try it also in the opposite direction, which is going to create the same thing, but in a little bit different style. So I'm gonna go back, and I'm gonna click here. Check this out. Now it's in negative, or in positive, sorry. And you can play around however you want. It's a really interesting trick. Click OK. So this is it. Thanks for watching, and if you're new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates, and also check out the rest of the videos at the end. Have a good one. Bye bye.